Okay, so after I have done all my rigmarole with copying my blueprints, I'm going to try something else. So I'm going to just add a new blueprint, add a blueprint class, and I'm just going to guess on this. I'm going to say, let's see, actor component, reusable component that can be added to any character. That sounds good. An object that can be placed or spawned in the world. I mean, that sounds good too. I don't really know. You know what? I'm just going to, let's see, scene component. I don't know, man. Game mode base defines the game being played. Its rules. Well, rules. Oh, maybe this is like if you wanted to play Blitz or Bombing Run or something like that. But I mean, that's kind of like a mutator. I don't know. You know what? I'm just going to go with actor because why not? And this, I'm just going to call this goodies with a Z because I already put a GUIs. Yeah, come on. I'm not going to call it GUIs. Goodies. There we go. Alright, now maybe if I come over here to class settings, parent class, and mutator, mutator. Yeah, sure, that sounds great. Alright, so compile, save, whatever. But now it's all blank, so now I don't have to worry about that weird stuff. So then if I come over here and do my variable, new variable 0, yeah, okay, so then I can come over and say object type and possibly find my, I can search, possibly find my shades. Yeah, alright, cool. And then, what else does he say? In that variable, select your asset. You can have as many variables as you need, then share a mutator. Yeah, so I'm good with the share a mutator pack. Okay, so we've got a mutator. We've got our object, right? Variable with the type object. And that's all he says that I need. Oh, category replicated, right? Do I want to do that? Should this? Yes. I feel like I should do that because we want it to be replicated over the network. That's what all this is about. Replication condition. Man, I don't know. That's a lot of options. I'm going to leave that alone. Default value. Please compile the blueprint. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll just call this Foglies, because that's, Foglies, because that's kind of what I think that's what I call my blueprint for my sunglasses. Alright, so we compiled and saved, so I can close this. Shades, SM shades, and Foglies. Okay, so no, we want the Foglies blueprint. So let me go back in here, and here's Foglies and shades. Now I want object types. Can I just search for blueprints? Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, Foglies. All right, cool. So yeah, so compile that, right? So save. Okay, SM shades, Foglies blueprint, class, and then I have my mutator. Yeah, okay, cool. And then I'm going to put my mask in there, MK mask. So let's try adding that in here. Variables MK mask. Come on, man, type right. All right, Boolean and object types. MK mask. Yeah, okay. Cool. And then, yeah, we want to replicate it. Because why not? Exposed as a pen when spawning this. But dude, I don't know what that means. All right. So I guess that he's saying that's all I have to do. So compile. You know what? I'm gonna add my little skeleton characters in here too because just because. And then I guess he says I can test it and see if it works. So, all right, so let's see. Where was I at? I want to add another variable. Yeah, okay, so bones char, bones character. Why is it showing up MK mask over here? Okay, so that's default scene root. Yeah, whatever. Fogley's, MK mask. I don't know why it's showing up MK mask over here. This should be bones. Oh, and scar bones too. Oh, okay, so I believe the little book-looking thing is the blueprint. Well, okay, so then I don't want to call it that. I want to call it scar bones. SKAA. 3 A's. RJ. Scar bones. Okay. Oh, and replicated. Yeah. Compile. Okay. Alright, so now we got 3 in here. Now where was my... I didn't see the little blueprint for my bones character. I wonder why that wasn't in there. Maybe... Let me add another variable. Oh, see, now it says... Now, that's... What did I do last time? Because that's acting right. Okay, so bones... And then... Object... Search for bones. Oh, and now it's got a circle instead of... Okay, whatever. I guess I'll just do the circle. I don't understand. I don't understand the difference, but whatever. Replicated. He didn't tell me to do that. I'm just doing that on my own. If that's wrong, it's my fault. Okay, so now I have a mutator called goodies. Actually, so I should call that mutator goodies. Yeah. Should probably put my name on it or something. Okay, so that thing should have the mask, the sunglasses, and the 2 characters, if I did it right. So, let's... Okay, so what else did he say? Yeah, he just says share the thing. Okay, cool. So share a mutator. What is this? Game Bluetooth goodies mutator. Oh, okay. So yeah, save that. And then mutator goodies. Oh, look at that. They're all... That's cool. Okay, so yes, that's the one. Sweet. So I'll get back with you when it's done. All right, and we're back. So open window to package content directory. And of course, it's going to pop up on the other screen over here. All right, so here's my mutator. Oh, cool. So looks like it's the biggest thing. Oh, I forgot the top hat. Yeah, that's okay. I didn't pack Sam. That's okay. Nobody cares about him. But it got the other 2 things. So 6 megs, and it got this, this, and this. What's my size that's on all that? 1.4? That seems kind of small. Oh, I've got shades and Fogley's in there for some reason. All right, anyway, so let's test this out. So what I'm going to do is delete... Oh, the shades were like the aviator sunglasses. Wow, that's really tiny. Anyway, okay, so we're going to delete this stuff. Right, we're going to delete all that stuff because I can always make that again. And Sam can stay, that can stay because that's not part of that, and then the mutator goodies. Okay, so we're going to delete all that. Now, if we did this right, we should see it come up in the game. So let's go ahead and start up our game. And I'll be interested to see if the character Bones made it over and kept all his team colors and all that cool stuff. Alright, play offline. Now, let's see if I've got anything in here, or if I totally messed this up. Hey, that's promising. Sam's there with his mask, and I already deleted the mask. Sweet. Okay. Eyewear? Foglies? Heck yeah. Dude, you look pretty sweet there, Sam. Alright, cool. Okay, cool. I'm excited. Yeah, so, I mean, he looks kind of goofy with all that stuff on right now, but whatever. Oh, I should test the team colors. Okay, so we're going to change him, because, I mean, clearly that stuff is there, so it should work if that's alright. Let's change it to Bones, because I knew you would be there. Gosh, that mask is huge for you on your little tiny skeleton head. Okay, so nothing. We're just going to test your team colors. Go over here, and surely it'll work, right? Because the material should just go. But we're going to check it because I just had so many problems and struggles trying to get this working. Watch it now work. Oh my gosh. No, he's blue, and he's on the blue team. When I was first starting this, he was red and on the blue team. He was like a spy. He was like a spy on the blue team for the red team.
Let's go.
Yeah, I should put my sunglasses on him. That would look cool. All right. Anyway, so it looks like this has worked. I don't know if I should. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to stop this here because so far it looks good, and I'll get back with you if I come across anything else. All right. Looks like we're up and running and looking good. I didn't notice I'm going to put this V1 for version 1 of this upload I'm going to make. It looks like you can change that over here by just typing in, you know, whatever, if you want it to be first version or maybe like a year number or something like that. And then you'll have to do it with each one of these individually, but you can get them all to fall under this V1 category so that when I go back and, you know, update this and add more stuff, it'll be I can kind of keep track of where I am. So thanks for the idea. But I think we are good to go now, and I can't wait to try this out.